Hello everyone and welcome to my series na 10 Niche Ideas for Beginners in Digital Product Selling Part 1. And ang pinakaunang niche na I can recommend is mental health and well-being. We all know how important mental health is, kaya this is not just a meaningful niche, but it's also a profitable one. So sino nga ba yung mga pwede mong target audience pag pinasok mo tong niche na to? So pwede kang gumawa ng products for people struggling with anxiety, depression, or burnout. Pwede rin products for life coaches and therapies, or products for mga entrepreneurs and busy professionals who need self-care. So, sample ng mga digital products that you can create under this niche ay mga guided self-care journals, pwede ring mga anxiety relief workbooks, pwedeng daily gratitude planners, or mga therapy session note templates. And syempre, when creating digital products, importante na you solve problem. So kung ito yung niche na papasukin mo, think about how you can help your audience. So pwede kang gumawa ng mga resources to help people manage their anxiety or stress. Pwede kang mag-create ng mga tools to support mental health professionals like therapy templates or ebooks, o kaya naman products that encourages better self-care habits. So some keywords that you can use if you want to do some research, ipapakita ko na lang sa screen. You can screenshot that or pwede nyo na lang i-save tong video na to for later. So mental health and well-being is a very broad niche. So pwede kang mag-sub-niche into shop with just products na related lang sa, let's say, self-care and mindfulness lang, or products na puro related sa anxiety and stress management. Or you can create a shop na for mga therapy and coaching resources lang. So ayun, do some research about this niche kasi it's really one of the profitable niches out there. And if gusto mong matutunan kung paano magbenta ng digital products, from product research, paggawa ng mockups, title, description, pricing, hanggang marketing at pagbenta sa Racket PH man yan or Etsy, check out Digital Faves Academy sa bio ko. That's it for part 1 and follow me for part 2. Bye!